I love potato chips. It's a perfect snack. And now, thanks to the air fryer, you can make these at home. I love this tool. It's a handheld kitchen mandolin. It's perfect for getting a thinly sliced potato. So I like this little fabric cut glove just to keep my little fingers safe. If you want to live your best Knights of the Round Table fantasies, this little chainmail mesh glove is super cool. For power and honor! Now, after the potato chips have soaked, you gotta get all that moisture off, because removing all that excess liquid will help them get crisp. Okay guys, moment of truth here. Sometimes when these cook in the air fryer, they form this swirling vortex of salty deliciousness. And they like to fly up into the heating element in the top and burn. So if you hear any motion going on there, open your drawer, give it a shake. Sometimes I like to pick out the ones that are already done so they don't burn. You don't want to waste any of these potato chips.